BullX Neo is officially out. You can access it for free using the top link in the description below. You'll be redirected to the official BullX Neo Telegram bot. And once you click Start Bot, you will go to the Telegram where you can just click Login. You'll be redirected to a page where you can copy your private keys and make sure to import these private keys into Phantom Wallet for Solana, MetaMask for EVM, and Tronlink for Tron, so you can actually save your wallets in case you lose access to your Telegram or something weird happens on your wallet. You can actually retrieve your funds. If you don't save these private keys now, you won't be able to access them later. And also right now you can set up two-factor authentication for your account in case your Telegram gets hacked. Once you do all of that, just log in, and now we can see the trenches. Here you can see the pump fund Memecoins and also the ones that were launched on Moonshot. If you don't like trading Moonshot coins, you can disable it. And right here you have three columns. First one is new creations. Those are brand new coins that launched literally seconds ago. Then you have the middle one, which is about to graduate. Soon they will be traded straight on Radium, and graduated tokens are actually tradable straight on Radium and you don't have to use pump fund anymore. And as you can see, some of the tokens are actually migrating and they will be moved to the third column. And just by looking at this, you can probably notice that most of these tokens are scams. Here you can see 67% in the hands of top 10 holders. Here 57% is in insider wallets, and thanks to BullX you can actually hide these tokens. When trading Memecoins on Solana, the majority of the tokens you will see are obvious scams, and you can use filters to remove the most obvious scams. Then you have the top section, which are actually the legit coins, but not every coin will perform well. Some of them are just bad memes, or they don't get enough traction and they go to zero. And there is this small portion of meme coins that you can actually trade to make some profit. And our task is to use filters to remove the obvious scams and then use our analysis to filter out the tokens that won't perform well and actually trade only the ones that have potential. But for this part, we actually have to learn a bit to trade meme coins successfully. But let's first remove the most obvious scams. You have separate filters for each section. If you want to hide the most obvious scams, just go to filter, and there are two things that you have to set up in order to remove the scams. First is the dev holding. It's very bad if the developer holds a lot of supply. For example, here the dev holds 47%. And for dev holding, you can set up, for example, 5%. The numbers I'm sharing with you today are just an example. You can tweak it to your liking. However, for me, dev holding should be no more than 5%. Insider wallet supply also no higher than 5%. And on the top, you see top 10 holders. If you select this, the tokens that have 15% of supply in the top 10 holders will be removed. So once you click apply, you can see that the coins that we see are slightly more legit. You still have to filter them out manually. And also you can see the snipers. And also I forgot to mention, you can also select the maximum amount of sniper wallets. For example, 30 is way too much. Something like 10 or lower will be way better. So you can just click apply and we filter out even more tokens. Now, another great thing that was added to BullX is keyword filters. And this is especially good for new creations because probably you've seen this guy all over the news recently, and every single time this huge event happens, somebody is going to create a meme coin about this on Pump Funnel. And this coin in just 7 hours went to over $60 million market cap. And all you need to do back then, once you heard about this news, just go to BullX Neo, click on filters, and then search by keywords. And then just type in Luigi, click apply, and you can only see the tokens that have Luigi in its name. And if you want, you can also set up the quick buy. For example, if you set up $10, you see right here, you can immediately buy a token that you see here. So for example, if you're looking for a new Luigi, you can just set it up as $10 and buy every single token that has Luigi in its name. The same thing you can do on the Explore page and in the new pairs. However, here you have to set up 3 more filters, because in Explore page you also see the tokens that are launched on PumpFun. And on PumpFun you don't need these settings because it's obvious that those won't be mintable, freezable, or liquidity pool will be burned. But for here, you need to set up mint out disabled, freeze out disabled, and LP burned. Make sure every single time it's enabled, or you will get scammed. Here you have similar settings, just click apply, and now you know that you won't be scammed. Even if you disable these filters, you can see on the right if the mint out is disabled, and others options if they are disabled or not. For example, this one is a scam because liquidity isn't burned. So the creator can just rug pull you by pulling out all of the liquidity from the token. And on the trending page, you can see the tokens that are way more developed with higher market caps. And here you can also search up with different filters and trade the higher market cap ones, which are actually trending on DEX Screener. So now I will show you how you can buy and sell tokens. This token isn't a good example because it's an obvious scam, and I will show you why I know it's a scam. However, let's first set up the settings, because when you first launch BullX, the default settings are very bad for actual trading because slippage is too high, priority fee is too high, and also use bribe fee, and you don't have to use it every single time. So for priority fee, this is the minimal amount, 0.001. Even if you set it up to 0, your trade will be executed with this amount every single time. It's just a way the BullX is coded. Now, for slippage, you can use 5% or 10% at the minimum. So if you are trading larger cap meme coins, which are in hundreds of thousands or millions of market cap, you can set the slippage to 5 or 10%, and if the trades aren't coming through, just increase it to maybe 20%. And if you're trading meme coins on PumpFun, I would recommend you to use at least 10% to make sure that your trades are coming through, and once again, if they're not coming through, increase it to 20 or maybe even 30%. However, if you put your slippage too high and you are actually trading larger amounts of Solana, like 0.5 Solana and more, you need to use MEV protection. But if you are doing smaller trades like 0.1, 0.2 Solana, you can disable it and just set up the bribe fee at 0. And if you want to use MEV protection because you are trading with larger amounts, just click enable, and to set up your proper fee, just head over to the top right corner of BullX, and here you can see what is the current bribe fee. And make sure to set up your bribe fee higher than the amount that is displayed here, because this amount is always changing. So just to be safe, setting up this bribe fee should be enough to process your transaction. And you want to use it because if, for example, the token has 100k market cap and you set the slippage to 30%, your trade will be executed if the price will increase to 130, or it can even drop to 70. It will be executed anywhere in this range. So if you are using larger amounts of Solana and you don't enable MEV protection, the MEV bot can actually artificially increase the price of the token to this amount by just buying large amount of tokens and then sell on you, so you pay extra premium for the token. So if you don't want to be MEV botted, just enable MEV protection and use the bribe fee, which is higher than the amount that is displayed here. So now we were just setting up the buy settings. You have to remember that sell setting is separate. So here you can once again set up this minimal priority fee. For slippage, let me decrease it to 10%. And for MEV protection, you usually don't need MEV protection even with larger trades, because it's very uncommon to be MEV botted when selling. However, it's up to you, you can use it or not. And you can set up different presets depending on which type of token you are trading, because if you are trading on PumpFun, you will need different settings than if you are trading meme coin that has millions of dollars of market cap. So we got our fees. Now I will show you how you can actually buy the token. First option is market. We are just going to buy for the price that is currently on the market, in this case $345,000. Now you can also set up limit orders. So if the price drops by 10%, this trade will be automatically executed. And here you just input the amount of SOL you want to buy. You can change these presets right here in the settings, buy preset button, click edit, and you can also edit your sell presets. And also with BullX Neo you have a third option, which is DCA. For example, if you would like to buy in total 0.1 Solana, you can set up that every 1 minute you will execute an order. And here you specify how many orders you want to execute. So with these settings, in total you will buy 0.5 SOL. And every minute you will buy 0.05 SOL. Very simple. You can also set up auto sells. So every single time you buy a token, you can create a selling strategy that will automatically enable itself once you buy the token. So you can just create new strategy, and here you can set up your stop loss, which is good practice, especially if you are new to trading meme coins. So you can save your Solana in case the meme coin is going down rapidly. So you can set it up at -20%, which is the default, and then you can create take profit. So for example, once the price increased by 100%, we are going to sell 50%, which is the most common tactic. Then you can create another order. So for example, if the token is going to increase by 500%, we are going to sell, let's say, 25. Then just name it, say sell strategy. And now you have to select this, and every single time you buy the token, this strategy will be executed. To disable it, once again, click here, select disable, and right here you see that auto sell is actually disabled. Right here you can see how many dollars you invested, how much you sold, how many tokens you have left, and what is your current P&L. And below you can see some extra info that will help you to identify if this coin is worth buying or not. And this coin is an obvious scam because I've seen the same token launching every few days. However, you can see that by insider holding 36%, which is very bad, and top 10 holders have 90% of the supply. You can also see the sniper wallets and what they're actually doing. Here you can see that 25 of the first 50 buyers are still holding the token, which is quite sketchy because usually they should sell at least part of their position by now. So this token will eventually go to zero because all of these wallets will sell at the same moment, because this token is an obvious scam. You can see how many are holding, how many bought more, how many sold part, and how many sold all. Now below you can see every single trade, what are your current orders, what is your position, and what is your history of trading this token. And here in holders you can see the same information right here, and also you see the top holders here. Unfortunately, the top holders for this token are rats or insiders. So they didn't buy the token, they got sent some supply. Another tab is top traders. And here you can see that somebody bought for 7,000 and sold for 7,000 profit, which is quite decent. And now with BullX Neo, you can actually track wallets. So every single time you see a wallet that made a transaction, you can just hover over it and see what's this wallet win ratio in the last 30 days and their P&L. If you click on them, you can see every single trade they made. And you can quickly determine if this trader is profitable or not. And here you can add tags to this wallet. For example, let's say Dunk Trader. And you can also set up alerts. So every single time this wallet is going to buy or sell something, you'll get a notification right here. And here you can see all of the alerts that happened in the last few hours. And also here you can quickly buy the tokens, just set up quick buy, for example, for $10, just click here and you're going to buy the token. And I will create in the future a separate tutorial for world tracking, because this is probably the easiest way to make money with meme coins, especially if you're a new trader. Just follow the people who are actually making money. And another thing that was added for BullX Neo is multi-chart. If you are trading multiple tokens at the same time, you can see how they are performing on one page. You can add up to 10 charts at the same time and create multiple tabs, so it's way easier for you to actually manage your positions. So if you want me to break down how to actually do wallet tracking with BullX and how to trade meme coins with BullX, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I will drop the tutorial in the next few days. And if you want to know my highest conviction meme coin for this cycle, you can watch a video about it here.